Manchester 3.8. Another Super Bowl record, the first refrigerator to score. And the largest running back ever to score a touchdown. And Walter Payton, I guess they figure they got a whole quarter to go.
How market they be doing numbers. When I was 15, I sold dope out my mom. I'm a real gangster, won't wait to put you on. Catch a nigga, then we flush him with the plunge. Yeah, y'all nigga dropping on ball like I'm soft. King of my hood, they treat me like a bomb. Give me some shooters, I call them your hunter. Rap gang cover, they label me mama. Put the KO to your face and I feel like a nigga on mama. Honey, y'all nigga, they camp on the counter. Kill nigga dead like I gave a corona. Smoking on so much Zaza, shit put me in a coma. I'm fly young rich nigga, little bitch, and I do what I want. And I'm still stuck in the trap, cause the packet land in the morning. Me and Bad Man hit Saffy, like damn nigga bored. 300 P's in the story. Bad bitch look like she got deported. It come with ease, how do you get it extorted? Make a big hummer look like a shorty. Bitch on the down with the Michael Jordan. You paint the pop out, yeah, I'm really poor. And I got me a bitch, she super good. And I fuck her real good, but can't pay her more. I'ma keep this scrap on me, but I'm a full-time fitty. I'm lethal with the chopper, go and did it, I ain't fleece. I got real quick off the and they be doing numbers. When I was 15, I sold dope out my mom. I'm a real gangster, won't wait to put you on. Catch a nigga, then we flush him with the plunge.
Name quite literally was William Refrigerator Perry, the hero of Super Bowl 20, the star of the very first American Bowl at Wembley, now looking to return to the big time with the Monarchs. And for the Week 1 clash at White Hart Lane against the Scottish Claymores, the fridge was ready to take centre stage.